Hey everyone, dear friends, you're on the Whaler channel. Today I'll show how to add your music to Spotify. There are two ways as you might expect. You can add local music, right? For this, click Account, then Settings. Here we have the Your Library tab. Here, check Show Local Files, click Add Media, pick your music folder. Click OK. Now your library will have downloaded and local files. This is the music on your device. You can edit it, of course. There. If you mean adding music as an artist, yes. For that, go to your browser and search Be Spotify Artist. You'll need a distributor here. Find a distributor, contact them to upload to Spotify. You can't do it alone. That's all. This was Whaler. Like and subscribe to the channel. Wishing you all the best. Good luck and goodbye.